first day, summer school. NET-136 OS2 Linux, and it's Monday. We covered the basics. So we started out, we talked a little bit about hardware. We talked about the motherboard, we talked about the bus, processor, memory, RAM, talked about virtual memory. Memory that's on the hard drive. The computer treats it like memory, virtual memory. We talked about a couple terms used for that, page file or a swap file. Hardware. Okay. Then from hardware we said software. And we talked about an operating system is software. What kind of software? It's a system software. Not a utilities. It's an operating system. The operating system is the software that communicates with the hardware. We design applications to communicate with operating systems. So in this case over here, we talked about you write an application in some source code. It gets compiled to match the operating system it's going to run on. It's compiled to an object code. The object code is linked to an executable code, an EXE if you're talking about Windows. Okay? So applications are written and designed to work with an operating system, and the users typically work with an application. So this was our first overview to make sure we have our terminology straight. Then we talked briefly about why Linux, and the students did some research on Linux, and we talked about what do we mean by open source. The fact that this source code is available for people to change and adjust. Okay, we did then we talked about they're preparing for an install. They should do a little research on booting. We covered a number of commands that are in the other video, and these are what we're covering tomorrow, plus there'll be a little bit more. We'll get beyond these tomorrow, so the students can do a little research on those for tomorrow, and we will hopefully do the installs tomorrow. They'll need a flash drive ready with the particular type of Linux they wanted to use in the class this term. That's it.